to clean it, fun and trusty. Max pointed at the car and laughed. Oh no, it's dirty, let's wash it. Everyone grabbed their tools with happy smiles, sponge in hand and soap so white. Bubble fun from left to right. Max said round and round we go. Scrub, scrub, foamy bubbles slid and swirled, making magic all unfurled. Splashy splash, here comes the spray, washing all the dirt away. Max shouted, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Water danced and droplets flew, drip drop sounds, woohoo. Wheels and windows clean, the wheels and windows bright. Rub them till they shine just right. So clean, round wheels sparkled, glass shone clear, looking fresh from far and near. Bubbles up and bubbles down, bubble hats all over town. Max giggled, pop them now. Pop, 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 bubbles bounced and floated free, cleaning fun for you and me. You rinse it quick, rinse it slow, bye-bye soap, off you go. Max called, all clean. Water ran and sparkled bright, car looked happy in the light. Shake, shake, water drip no more, towel time from hood to door. Max said, dry it soft, swipe, swipe. No more drops, no more splash, shiny shine, flashy flash. Look how it shines. Shiny, shiny, look and see, cleanest car it now can be. Max smiled, we did it, hooray! Bright and fresh, clean and new, best teamwork, me and you. Goodbye, dirt and muddy mess. Hello, sparkle happiness. Max waved, see you next wash. Bye bye. Car wash fun is such a treat, splash and clean, playtime sweet.